The torches that we use in class are a combination of natural gas and air. So before you begin, make sure that the air compressor is plugged in and make sure the main valve is in the on position. The main valve to the gas line is just outside the back classroom door in the wall. So if you're the first person to use the torch for the day, you may need to make sure that's on. I'm going to wear safety glasses and make sure that my hair is pulled back, and also make sure that you have a striker nearby. So let's take a look at the torch. The torch has a head to it. The flame will come out here once we light it, and there are two hoses that connect to the torch head. The red hose is the natural gas. The green hose is the oxygen. Always make sure that you hold the torch just below the knobs. You don't want to ever touch the head of it because it gets very hot. So what I'm going to do first is turn the gas on so that I hear a quiet hiss. But in order to turn the gas on, I also have to turn on my individual valve. So if I pan up, you can see this valve right here. If it's horizontal, it's in the off position, so I'm going to turn it to the on position. So I'll pick up the torch and hold it underneath the knobs, twist the gas knob until I hear a slight hiss, and then what you're going to do is light the flame. So the strikers take a little force. You have to push down and across to make a spark. And if you can't light it, you might not be close enough to it, or you might need just a little bit more gas. So you can see I've got a flame now. It's a yellow flame, but this flame is not as hot as it could be. So I'm going to increase the air to make the flame hotter. So I'm going to use the other knob and slowly give it more air. I'm going to turn the gas down a little bit because what I'm looking for in the flame is a sharp blue flame coming straight out of the torch head, surrounded by a lighter blue cone. And that will ensure that I have a very hot flame. Okay, so now once you've gotten the correct flame, to turn the torch off, you first turn the gas knob off. So the flame will disappear, and then you'll turn the oxygen or the air off. Okay, so make sure that both of those are off. Gas goes first on and first off. And then the final piece is to make sure that the individual valve is in the off position. So you should leave your stations with the valve off and both knobs completely off.